In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make editable UML diagrams with ChatGPT. This is a fantastic way to streamline your process if you're working with software development or need visual representations of system designs. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up a web browser and navigate your way over to Google. It's the trusty go-to for locating almost anything on the internet. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll see the familiar search bar. In that search bar, go ahead and type in ChatGPT and hit enter. This search will quickly lead you to various links related to ChatGPT, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, renowned for its ability to understand and generate human-like text. Now, focus on locating the official ChatGPT website in the search results. Clicking on this will take you directly to the platform where the magic happens. Once the site loads, you can start interacting with the AI by typing a prompt. For instance, you might enter something like, "Generate the mermaid.js code for a use case diagram of an online shopping system." This prompt guides ChatGPT to provide the specific code needed for your UML diagram. After you've typed your prompt, the next move is to hit submit. This is crucial as it sends your request to ChatGPT for processing. In a moment, the AI will respond with the mermaid.js code tailored to your needs. Look for the copy code option once the AI has generated the response. Clicking this will save the code to your clipboard, allowing for easy transfer. With the code now at your disposal, it's time to head over to the Mermaid Live Editor website. This platform is particularly useful for visualizing and editing diagrams generated by mermaid.js, a popular JavaScript-based diagramming and charting tool. Within Mermaid Live Editor, locate the code input area, typically found in the left section of the screen. Here, paste the code you copied earlier from ChatGPT. This action will render the UML diagram right before your eyes, based on the details provided in your prompt. And there you have it, an editable UML diagram, freshly created using the power of AI and a bit of mermaid know-how. This workflow not only saves time but also enhances productivity, allowing you to quickly turn ideas into structured visual frameworks. Remember, with these tools at your fingertips, the possibilities are expansive. Whether you're a developer, project manager, or just someone trying to bring clarity to complex systems, this method can become an invaluable part of your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to create clear and dynamic diagrams effortlessly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful or have any questions. Happy diagramming!